All right, what is up everyone? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be upgrading the lights on the Evo 10. Our friends over at Auxito hooked us up with some LEDs so that we could get this project taken care of. I broke a clip. Turn this around. Okay, simple, very easy. Ugh. Those things are a pain to take. Ugh. Ugh. That was great. Here's the Auxito LED, and then here's the stock halogen. You can clearly tell the actual quality. It is a lot nicer. We'll put this back. We'll see how bright they are, if they flicker, and ease of install. The LED lights look amazing. 10 out of 10. Auxito, you did a great job. Make sure to use coupon code LR15 for 15% off your purchase.